York, son. I'm in New York. In a bathroom. Ha. I gotta go use the... Yeah. Come on, Doris. Shut. Yeah, I'm privileged. I use a handicap bathroom. Look at this shit. Look how big it is. I'm privileged. I use a handicap bathroom when I'm up in New York. Son, these vlogs are funny. I'm up in the bathroom, son. You ain't watching me YouTube. YouTube, you ain't watching me take a pee. You crazy? Fuck. Get out of here.
Hey, what's up, Trevor? No.
Damn.
Stop.
Beautiful day. That's some peaceful stuff right there. What's that, a dragonfly? I love the weather here. Not too humid. Well, it gets humidity, but not anything like Florida. But I'm enjoying my time here. I got one day left, but I'm enjoying my time. Later, guys. I'm about to go out to breakfast and then go to the mall, and then I don't know, but hey, what's up, party people? I know I'm back home in Florida, but I just want to let you guys know. I think it's day 4. The reason why I didn't vlog so much is because I went on a 10-mile canoe ride with me and my girlfriend and her mom and her boyfriend, and they're like, don't bring your camera, don't bring anything. And I was thinking, okay, I shouldn't bring it, right? And then when I didn't bring it, I didn't even get wet in the water. My canoe didn't tip over, but it was 5 hours of straight canoeing. I seen a bald eagle, which we were canoeing in New York City on the Delaware River. It was a great time. I got a little bit of sunburn, but that's to be expected being out in the sun for 5 hours, you know. But this is why the vlog is kind of short. But day 5 is just basically me flying back to Florida at the airport and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Peace in the Middle East. Rain in Spain. Add me at twitter.com/baseplayer101. On regular vlogs are coming back soon. But this is just my trip from when I was in Pennsylvania. So thanks for watching and enjoying. Later, guys. And I got a text message, so I gotta go. Okay. Now get that camera in my face, sucker, so I can get to bed. I said, YouTube, get that camera in my face. I'll break it. I don't want to have to break another camera because your dumbasses won't leave me alone with this camera being... Now turn the camera off. I'm done vlogging for the day, sucker.